Hey there, origami fans! Today, let's explore the amazing world of these quirky little paper critters. Not only are they entertaining to make, but they also offer a fantastic way to unleash your creativity and sharpen your hand-eye coordination skills. So grab those pens and paper and let's get started. Origami critters like frogs are definitely one of a kind and a great way to keep your creativity flowing. Picture crafting a cute little frog that can jump all over, using only straightforward folds. It's not just about having fun, but it also helps to improve your hand-eye coordination and your muscles. Plus, it's a great way to spark a child's imagination and entertain them for hours. Kids and teenagers really like origami critters because they can use colorful and different designs to bring their very own frogs to life. It's not just about creating a great result, but also about spending quality time together and improving their social skills. This activity can be a wonderful way for parents and children to bond as they work together to create something unique and fun. If you're planning a group activity, origami critters might just be your best bet. You could even hold a competition to see who's got the highest jumping frog or the most stunning design. This is not just entertaining, it's also a great way to strengthen social connections and teamwork. Imagine the excitement and laughter as everyone shows off their creations and competes in friendly challenges. Origami isn't just for kids, though. Adults can also find joy and relaxation in this art form. It's a perfect way to unwind after a long day, allowing you to focus on the simple pleasure of folding paper and creating something beautiful. Plus, it can be a great conversation starter and a way to share a fun hobby with friends and family. So why wait? Grab that piece of paper and dive into the amazing world of origami critters. Trust me, it's easier than you think, and there's always room for improvement. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced folder, there's always something new to learn and create. Thanks for joining me on this origami exploration. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and follow for even more fun and imaginative projects. Have a fantastic day, everybody.